You have learned much, young one.
We're not full of surprises.
Your destiny lies with me, Skywalker. Obi-Wan knew this to be true.
No.
All too easy. Perhaps you're not as strong as the Emperor thought. Impressive. Most impressive.
Oh!
Obi-Wan has taught you well. You have controlled your fear. Now, release your anger. Only your hate